Hey everyone, Matt's Mox here. We're back in my library area, and I'm showing you this Nathan M3 horn. This came off the New York Central. It was acquired by my friend Tom, who helped us with moving 701. He bought it from a guy in the Philadelphia area, and we tested out the horn recently. So the next few clips after this will actually be the test of the horn. Now, we're still working on a full history of the horn. We know it was mainly painted black. However, this bell cover have a little bit of yellow paint on them. So we are thinking, and our current going theory is that possibly this horn may have started out on a Fairbanks Morris C-liner, and we believe those two bell covers started out on the Long Island Railroad, as we have enough evidence that this horn did go through Penn Central, but it didn't go into Conrail. And if it did, it was removed very early on. It had been sitting in a barn since the 1980s when it was thrown in a junk pile. So it's actually a very nice sounding horn, as you'll hear. It's a little out of tune, but I think you guys are really going to enjoy hearing this M3 in the next clip. I do want to show you, this is my Leslie A75. It's off a Lehigh Valley switcher. And just for comparison, there we go. Look how tiny that is. I mean, it basically fit within the chimes of this horn. But yeah, so, next clip. You're gonna hear this.
Yeah, I just cracked that. I was like 15 psi and it was extremely loud.
Yeah.
That'll be up to 100, probably when you open it around.
Okay, that's plenty. These ran at 120.
Oh, that's cool.
So, here we go.
Yeah, go for it.
That's awesome.
That's so fucking cool.
Hold on, I'm doing it myself.
Ready?
Go.